Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids. Finally, you can install this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Then, to access wallpaper settings, click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Select Settings at the top and choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. Finally, manage all of those options however you wish to, and then click on the top right corner. Now you can access bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper. Last but not least, click on Set Wallpaper and pick the best option for you, in my case home screen only. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!